When unmitigated evil rears its ugly head, we respond with unmitigated positive energy. And this positive energy takes several forms. One is the unity that we're experiencing over here, manifesting unity. May this unity continue forever. Secondly, we pray, we'll soon recite a psalm. One of the most powerful expressions of our prayer to God is contained within these psalms. In addition to that, we give tzedakah, we give charity, especially for Israel. In addition to that, men put on tefillin, and the women commit themselves to bringing more light in the world by lighting Shabbos candles before sunset on Friday. These are the spiritual weapons that we have that will undo all the evil. Psalm 20, for the choir master, a psalm by David. May God answer you in the day of suffering. May the name of the God of Jacob raise you up high. May he send your aid from the sanctuary and support you from Zion. May he remember all your flour offerings and accept the fat of your burnt offerings, Selah. May he give to you according to your heart and fulfill all of your musings. We will joyously sing in your salvation and raise our flags in the name of our God. May God fulfill all of your requests. Now I know that God saves his anointed. He will answer him from his holy heavens with the mighty acts of his rescuing right hand. These trust in chariots, and these trust in horses, but we will call the name of God our God. They have bent and fallen, but we have arisen and stand upright. O God, save us. May the King answer us on the day that we call.